Question number 9, page 473. For any triangle ABC, we have to prove that b plus c cos b plus c by 2 is equal to a times cos b minus c by 2. So, as we discussed, we are interested to prove in small letters, that is using sides. So, we prove that here we prove that this is b plus c whole upon small a. I am taking this to this side and taking this to right hand side is equal to cos b minus c by 2 whole upon cos b plus c by 2. So we are interested to prove this as we discussed earlier. So this is our left hand side and this is our right hand side. So we are taking this left hand side starting from and going to prove this. So left hand side is b plus c whole upon small a. Now using sine formula, b is equal to k sine capital B, right? Because you know a upon sine a is equal to b upon sine b is equal to c upon sine c is equal to, we are taking k. So a is equal to k sine a, b is equal to k sine b, and c is equal to k sine c. So a is equal to k sine a, b is equal to k sine b, and c is equal to k sine c. This you know using sine formula. If we simplify a, b, c, then a is equal to k sine a, b is equal to k sine b, and c is equal to k sine c. We are assuming that k, that is c. We are assuming that. So b is equal to k sine b. So substituting this value, k sine b plus c. C is equal to k sine c whole upon a. Small a is equal to k sine a. So taking k common from numerator, and there is a k common in denominator also, so that will be cancelled. So remaining will be sine b plus sine c whole upon sine a. Now we have formula sine c plus sine d, that is instead of c and d, here is b and c. So formula for this sine b plus sine c is, using that formula, left hand side is, formula is sine c plus sine d, sine c plus sine d is equal to 2 sine c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. This is the formula which we are going to apply here. So applying this formula, sin b plus sin c, that is 2 sin b plus c by 2 into cos b minus c by 2 whole upon, this is sin a. Now sin 2 theta, formula is sin 2 theta is 2 sin theta cos theta. So if 2 then become 1. So this implies if we write 1 theta only, then we have to write half of this theta. So half of this is theta by 2. So answer will be 2 sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2. So this is the formula. Another formula which we are going to apply here. So sin A is 2 sin A by 2 cos A by 2. So this is 2 sin A by 2 into cos A by 2. Now we are proving for triangle, and for triangle a plus b plus c is equal to pi. That means b plus c is equal to pi minus a, that you know. So writing pi minus a here, these two will be cut. So this is sin pi minus a upon 2 into cos b minus c upon 2, right? Whole upon, this is sine a by 2. So this is sine a by 2. So I am writing sine instead of a, pi minus b plus c by 2, and keeping this cos a by 2 as it is. So this is cos a by 2, because answer of this is a by 2. That's why. Right? So now sine, this is pi by 2 minus a by 2. This is pi minus a by 2. That is, this is pi by 2 minus a by 2. So sine pi by 2 minus a by 2, sine pi by 2 minus theta, you learn in 10th standard, that is cos theta. So answer of this is cos a by 2. So this is cos a by 2. We want to prove this because this is our right hand side. So this is cos b minus c by 2, keep as it is, whole upon, this is sine pi by 2 minus theta by 2. That is sine, again same thing, pi by 2 minus. So answer of this is cos a by 2. So answer of this is cos b plus c by 2. If we take separate this, so this is cos b plus c by 2 into cos a by 2 as it is. This cos a by 2 will be cut. Now how we get this? This is pi minus b plus c by 2 is nothing but pi by 2 minus b plus c by 2. So if we apply sine, then sine pi by 2 minus theta is cos theta. So now remaining term will be cos b minus c by 2 whole upon cos b plus c by 2. That is nothing but we want to prove that is our right hand side, right? So this is your right hand side, and hence we prove this, right? So it is very easy to prove using small letters, that is using sides instead of using angles. Okay? So question number 10, page 473. A cos A plus B cos B plus C cos C is equal to twice A sin B sin C. It's a nice question for 4 marks, right? This is given. So left hand side is A cos A plus B cos B plus C cos C. This is given. Now using sine formula, A is equal to K sine capital A, that you know, so I am not going to write again now, right? So using sine formula, small a is equal to K sine capital A into cos A plus B is equal to K sine capital B into cos B, and plus C is equal to K sine capital C into cos C. Why? Because of sine formula. I am not going to write sine formula again, because now you are familiar with sine formula and you know how this comes. Taking K common, but this is in multiplication, and while the two terms of trigonometric function are in sine cos are in multiplication, we need 2. That means we have to divide by 2 and multiply by 2. If we divide and multiply by 2, then we get 2 here in multiplication. So taking K common and dividing by 2 and also multiply by 2. So I multiply by 2 this. So this is 2 sine A cos A plus, we have to take K common, so K is here. We divide by 2, so we have to multiply by 2 here also. So this is 2 sine B sine C plus again same thing, 2 sine C cos C, right? This is, now what is this? 2 sine theta cos theta. This is your formula, sine 2 theta. This is sine 2 theta. This is sine 2 theta. So applying this formula, this is K by 2. This is sine twice A plus this is sine twice B plus this is sine twice C, because sine 2 theta is 2 sine theta into cos theta. This is the formula. Sin 2 theta is 2 sin theta cos theta. So 2 sin theta cos theta is sin 2 theta. So 2 sin A cos A is sin 2A. This is B. 2 sin B cos B. Sorry, I am making mistake here. Right? This is sin 2B and 2 sin C cos C is sin 2C. Now, applying sin C plus sin D formula here and sin 2 theta formula, that is this. If we keep this as it is, then it's okay. So I'm not writing here. So I'm keeping this as it is. So again, no need to apply the formula. So I'm keeping this as it is. So here, sin C plus sin D. Formula for sin C plus sin D. Sin C plus sin D is 2 sin C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2. This is the formula that we are going to use here. This formula we are going to use here. So, what is the answer? This is K by 2. This is 2 sin C plus D, that is twice A plus twice B divided by 2. So this is like this, twice A plus twice B divided by 2. So these 2 common, so 2 will be cut. So what we get? A plus B. So this is 2 sin A plus B into cos, same thing but we have to subtract. So answer is A minus B. So 2 cos A minus B, right? Plus this is 2 sin C cos C as it is. So 2 sin C cos C as it is. Now we are solving for triangle ABC. So A plus B plus C is equal to pi. So A plus B is pi minus C, right? So this will be K by 2. This is 2 times sin pi minus C into cos A minus B plus this is 2 times sin C into cos C. Why this? Because of A plus B plus C is equal to pi, that we have to use this identity. Now sin pi minus theta, as I told you, it comes more than 500 times in 11th and 5000 times including 11th and 12th. So sin pi minus theta, sin theta, answer is sin C. So I'm writing here. So this is K by 2. This is sin C, that is 2 sin C. This is cos A minus B. So cos A minus B plus 2 sin C. So 2 sin C into cos C into cos C. So 2 sin C is common here. So 2 sin C is common. So taking 2 sin C common. So this is K by 2 into 2 sin C is common. So remaining will be cos A minus B plus cos C. Cos A minus B plus cos C. Right? So what we have to prove? 2. So this 2 will be the cut. Now small a. No small a is here. Sin C, sin B. No sin B. Only sin C is here. So only sin C is here. So we need twice A sin B. And what is small a? Small a, you know, K sin capital A. You know, by sin formula I am writing at last A is equal to K sin A, B is equal to K sin B, and C is equal to K sin C. This is by sin formula that you know, right? So K sin C we require, K is here. Now this is cos A minus B. So can we get A plus B here? Yes, because a plus b plus c is equal to pi. So we can substitute c is equal to pi minus a plus b. So remember one thing in this type of question, if you have a minus b, then you must have another term containing a plus b. So you have to think how you will get a plus b. Then you have to replace this c as pi minus a plus b, right? So replacing this is k sin c into this is cos a minus b plus cos, and this is c is pi minus a plus b, pi minus a plus b. Now this is cos pi minus this theta, cos pi minus theta in second quadrant. Pi minus theta is second quadrant, I told you. Remember this thing. So pi minus theta is in second quadrant, and second quadrant cos is negative. So answer will be k sin c into cos a minus b minus cos a plus b, because cos pi minus theta is equal to minus cos theta. That you know. I am writing theta instead of a plus b. So this is cos pi minus theta is minus cos theta. So minus our theta is a plus b. Now cos a minus b minus cos a plus b is 2 sin a sin b. So this is k sin c. This is 2 sin a sin b. This is the standard formula. 2 sin a sin b is cos a minus b minus cos a plus b, right? Now you require sin b sin c. So sin b and sin c is here. So this is again 2 is constant. So this is 2 constant. So 2, then we can write k sin a. We can write k sin a, and this is sin b sin c as it is. So sin b sin c as it is. Now k sin a is small a. So your answer will be 2 times a sin b sin c, and that is your right hand side, and hence this is we proved. That is we proved. Now I am going to change this question. You have to prove, instead of this, one question is twice b sin a sin c, another, and second question you have to prove twice c sin a sin b, right? So this is your homework, right?